Hello, Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana pinasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Cancer, mga paunang mensahe ninyo. We have the energy of the tulip. Great passion. Maaring passion ninyo ito for your hobbies. Passion ninyo ito with your person, or this is something that you really love to do, no? We have November. Ayan, November is coming up. Ayan, sa isang buwan na, November na. So, baka may plano kayo dito, no, Cancer? Sometime in November. Ano man ito, baka mabisi kayo, no? Wow, we have November and May. Ayan, so, parang kung December ito, naging May-December affair ito no? Pero kayo parang May, November. So, probably meron relationship din dito talaga na maaring maganap, no? Or maaring mabuo between you and another person. Maaring magkalayo yung iyong edad, no? Parang gano'n. Yun ang na-pick up ko So, that is possible for some of you. Baka meron kayong makikilalang someone sa ngayon na medyo may kalayuan ang inyong mga edad, ang age gap ninyo, pero maaring yan ay mag-develop, no, sa isang magandang relasyon. Possible din na meron kayong mga sisimulang endeavor at this time, no, around November siguro, and baka yung target date ng pagtatapos na yan is May 2025. Baka meron kayong i-build na building, bahay, something like that, no? At maaring ang target date ninyo is May ang pagtatapos. So we have the energy of the Tank card. There is celebration, fun, and enjoyment. So go for it, Cancer. Kung ano man ito yung celebrate ninyo, go for it. At saka have fun. Yun ang importante. Have fun at mag-enjoy kayo sa kung ano man celebration na yan. Possible na kung hindi man kayo mag-host ng celebration na to, baka kayo ay maiimbitahan, no, ng inyong mga kaibigan or katrabaho. There is star energy. Guaranteed success ito, Cancer. So, maaaring yung isa-celebrate ninyo dito is yung tagumpay, no, Cancer? Baka meron kayong dito, ma-accomplish, no, na mga bagay-bagay na ginagawa ninyo. Maaaring matatapos na kung ano man siguro mga ginagawa ninyong pagpa-prepare siguro sa negosyo, pagpa-prepare ninyo sa plano ninyong mag-abroad or mag-apply ng trabaho. Maaaring yan ang pagtatagumpayan ninyo sa ngayon. Na finally, baka masabi ninyo na finally umuusad na, or finally natapos ko na din ang pag-gather ng mga papeles or kung ano mga requirements, so maaaring ganun ang ganap, no? Possible din na yung success na to related sa inyong career, sa inyong trabaho, no? Baka meron kayong pagtatagumpayan na task, no, at hand, at maaring yan din ang isi-celebrate ninyo. We have energy of the Jug, light-hearted and carefree time. Ayan. Deserve naman ninyo yan. Nagagaling pa lang kayo sa tagumpay. So, medyo nahirapan kayo dyan also to get to that point. Kaya, ngayon parang pahinga muna. Okay? Pahinga muna, mag-ano muna kayo. Chillin lang. Okay? So, what else? We have haystack. Karma is at play at this time. You will reap what you have sown. Ayan. So, since karma is at play sa ngayon, kung anong inyong itinanim, yun ang aanihin ninyo, diba? Kung anong klaseng energy yung nilabas ninyo out in the universe in the past, yan ang babalik sa inyo sa ngayon. Okay? What else? We have horse, short journey, meron travel. Dito na magaganap for some of you that could be related to that celebration. Maaring yung celebration na yan ay gaganapin pa sa kabilang bayan, kabilang city, or kung saan pa man, at maaring yan ang pupuntahan ninyo, no? So, what else? We have apple. There is temptation, no, na maaring mag-test sa inyo kung gaano kayo katatag, gaano kayo naninindigan. Diba? Na hindi nyo nagagawin ng isang bagay, or hindi nyo kakainin, or kung ano pa man yan, But this is a temptation na talaga namang susubukan ka. So, it's all up to you on how you're going to navigate that situation. We have scales. Keep your life in balance. So, this is an invitation sa inyo, no? Na sikapin ninyong nasa balanse lang ang buhay ninyo, no? Make sure na lahat ng areas ng buhay ninyo nabibigyan ninyo ng panahon, hindi lang puro trabaho, hindi lang puro love life, yung mga ganon, ano. There are other areas of life na nangangailangan din ng iyong atensyon. Kaya ito'y panawagan sa inyo, no, na keep your life in balance, okay? Para lagi kayong on top of your game, okay? So, what else? We have happiness. Yan, napakaganda kasi mababalot kayo ng saya at this time. You know, you will be happy sa mga mangyayari sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon. Marami kayong dahilan para maging masaya, hindi ba? We have June. Ayan, so June, May, baka na-pick up ko agad kasalan kasi 'di ba? Mayroong June bride. So, most likely, no, kasi itong angel na to mukhang bride din, no, sa unang tingin. So, most likely, meron ditong ikakasal, no, for some of you. Or kung hindi man, baka kayo ay, baka kayo may iimbitahan sa kasalang ito. But this may happen in June, no? This could be a June wedding. So, what else for Cancer? We have angel number 4444. Ayan. So, sabi dito, there may be obstacles or hardships na maaring ma-encounter kayo along your journey. Pero, meron kayong strength and courage, no? Kaya kung ano man yan ay haharapin ninyo, yan ay maa-address ninyo ng tama, and you are going to succeed, no? Sa pagharap sa mga obstacles na yan. And yung journey nyo na yan, that is also going to help build your character, diba? Yung experience na yan. So, there might be some difficulties ahead, but you will push through. Yan, hindi ninyo susukuan kahit ano man ang problema dumating. Hindi kayo susuko dyan, hindi kayo aatras. If you have been struggling or feeling lost, the winds of change will blow in your favor. If you've been suffering or feeling lost, some things may fall apart, but you're building the framework for something much better. Hang in there. Ayan. So, there could be some things dito na maaring magkakaroon ng distraction, no? Masisira. And that is the universe way of helping you, no? Rebuild, diba? A stronger framework, a stronger foundation sa kung ano man ang sitwasyon na yan. Maaring merong pagtatapos, no? Relationship or trabaho or kahit ano pa man. And it's because it's no longer good for you. Kaya yan ay magtatapos na. At sa pagtatapos na yan, magsisimula kayo ng bago. The divine universe is going to help you build a stronger foundation on the next relationship that you are going to build or sa kung ano pa man ang sisimulan ninyong panibago. Okay? So we have angel number 1010. Sabi dito, there could be a need for you to practice moderation, patience, flow, clarity, joy, movement, self-realization, taking action, and unconditional love. So, napakaganda. It's time to put those long-cherished ideas into action. Ayan. So, maybe there are opportunities around you sa ngayon, Cancer, na nagsusuporta sa inyo para maisa katuparan na ninyo kung ano man ang mga ideas ninyo na yan. Kasi maybe, before you were procrastinating, no? Kasi baka walang tulong, no? Baka naiisip ninyo na wala naman akong magagawa pa. Sa ngayon, I don't even have resources. I don't even have people with me na makakatulong sa akin, 'di ba? So maybe kaya kayo nag-hold back. Pero ngayon, there are opportunities around you that can help your ideas come to reality, no? So, you will come in contact with the appropriate individual, circumstances, and resources. Ito na yon ang ipapadala sa inyo na tulong. So, eventually, you will experience joy as well as brand new opportunities. So, trust in the process. Napakaganda. So, good luck. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste.